Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you how you can go ahead and make very delicious chicken using an air fryer. All right, so I just added some olive oil to the chicken, and I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning the chicken right now. My first seasoning will be ginger, and I'm going ahead to add that to the chicken right away. So you're going to add lots of ginger. Ginger is a very good spice for seasoning. And then right after, adding some black pepper to season the chicken as well. And then you add some cayenne powder also, just to give it a bit of a kick, yes, to make it a lot more spicier. It's optional if you don't like your food too spicy, but I kind of like, a little bit of kick in my food. So yeah, then afterwards I added some Italian seasoning. You can add that generously. And then you add some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is a very nice seasoning for your stews, your sauces, chicken, what have you. It is very versatile. And then you add some garlic powder. Some salt. And then you mix it all together very well. You want to make sure the seasonings get into the chicken very well. To leave it out, to leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, and then you put it in your air fryer. Ensure that you have preheated your air fryer, and then you place your chicken breasts inside the air fryer. And then you let it cook for at least about 10 minutes. Make sure you turn it around halfway, and then there you have it. Very delicious chicken breasts.